สวัสดีค่ะเพื่อนๆกลับมาพบกันอีกแล้วนะคะ Hi everyone, welcome to Thai Style by Nan Channel's Cooking with Nan again today. And today is gonna be another easy recipe today. So as always, my channel is always cooking easy recipe to make it easy for you guys. Make it quick, make it fast, make it delicious. Alright, so today we're gonna make the deep fried chicken wings with herbs today. So if you love chicken wings or fried chickens, you're gonna love this recipe.Trust me, it's gonna be good. Alright, so let's take a look with our ingredient. What do we have today? Alright, let's take a look with our ingredients today. I have the chicken wing for 2 pounds and 4 ounces. Or you can use just 2 pounds, or it depends of the size of your member of the families. So, and the ingredient we're gonna mix with the chickens. We're gonna have the fresh garlic, it's like maybe 10 cloves, lemongrass, I'm gonna powder it up, palm sugar, and I have the coriander seeds, I just roasted, gonna powder it up, mix with the chicken wings, and the black pepper, also a little bit of salt, thin soy sauce, golden mountain soy sauce, oyster, also the oil for deep fries, and the ingredient or accessories that we gonna put on top of the fried chicken. So I have the slice of the fresh garlic, gonna slice thin like this, long and thin. Okay. And another lemongrass. This one is gonna for deep fries, and the sprinkle on top of the fried chicken. Also the cafe lime leaves, dry chilies. First we're gonna pound the ingredient. Gonna pound this one first because it's really hard to pound. We're done with how our spice ingredient up, and then we're gonna mix with the chicken. So before we go ahead to deep fry our chicken, I'm gonna fry our accessories that's gonna go on top of the chicken. Alright, so let's taste the oil. Almost there. I'm gonna put a little bit of the flour to make it not too stick. Okay, our chicken wings still deep fried with the herbs. Now it's done. Time to try. มาค่ะทุกคนเรามาลองกันนะคะ Alright everyone, let's try our chicken. I'm gonna dip with my sauce, dipping sauce, you see. So good. So good. Dipping sauce, so good. Chicken's very tender. So good. Smell a lot of the herbs. Yum. And we eat with it. We eat all the herbs together. So good. Like spicy, eat some spicy. Super. I love herbs. Herbs so good. Alright, so good, so good. Chicken wings, fried chicken wings with herbs, Thai style. Very good. You guys should try. It's awesome recipe. Alright, thank you so much for watching today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification to see what's coming next on my next video. And I will see you guys on next time. Bye bye. ขอบคุณมากๆนะคะเพื่อนๆแล้วก็อย่าลืมทำทานกันดูนะคะมันอร่อยมันหอมเครื่องสมุนไพรเรามากๆค่ะและรสชาติกลมกล่อมลงตัวกับน้ำจิ้มแจ่วของเราค่ะมันเข้ากันดีมากเลยค่ะอย่าลืมลองทำทานกันนะคะแล้วก็ฝากกดไลค์กดติดตามกดกระดิ่งให้ด้วยนะคะเราจะได้ไม่พลาดโอกาสหน้าเราจะได้ไม่พลาดวิดีโอต่อไปนะคะค่ะยังไงวันนี้ก็ขอขอบคุณค่ะสวัสดีค่ะบ๊ายบาย